Today I am reviewing this portable air compressor tire inflator. It's pretty cool. Also has a light. You can hit this, turn the light on. There's a bunch of different modes as you can see. SOS, other stuff like that. Turn that off. And you can cycle, turn it on there. You switch your modes on here. Down here if you want to inflate basketballs or whatever. Go back to car. And you can put how high you want the PSI. And what's really cool about this one is not only is it battery powered, and it comes with this nice long cord to charge it. Comes with all of these attachments for various other pumping needs. But it also comes with this 12-volt / cigarette lighter port, which is plenty long in case for some reason, and you just plug that in here to power it. If you forgot to charge it and it's dead, it's still going to be useful. Very light, very compact. Has clamp-on hose, so we're going to go ahead and put it on down here. It's just it's very important to regularly check your tire pressures, and I really recommend to regularly check your tire pressure to see to get optimum efficiency out of your car and even wear. So I'm going to put it, we're just going to go a couple PSI up, just top it off. Go 38, I like mine. We'll go 37. See how long it does to do 2 PSI on it. Pretty quiet. And that didn't take long at all. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision, and this helps keep your tires properly inflated.